Wow, the bird! He really woke up! Hurry, go ask if it's okay! Miss Dodo Bear. Oops, sorry.
You are so rude, disrupting a lady's musical moment.
It won't happen again.
Speak. What is it that brings you here?
Miss Dodo Bear, earlier you said, if we ever find ourselves needing help, we can come to you.
That's right. As a lady, I keep my word. And I have something important to tell you. It's about the prophet.
That's just what we need.
I, a lady, overheard him. It was purely by accident, but that rude wish envoy locked me away. Just because I accidentally overheard him speaking to the prophet. Unfortunately, I didn't get a good look at him. Their conversation was about the Flamecrest Festival being held in Stoneville.
Flamecrest Festival?
They also mentioned the name, Giovanni. Those two are up to no good. And this Giovanni definitely sounds like their next target.
Giovanni? You mean the merchant? The one who sells the wish flight paper?
That I don't know. What I do know is that they're looking for Giovanni in Stoneville.
So Giovanni went to Stoneville. Thank you for the information, Miss Dodo Bear. I appreciate it.
Don't mention it. You saved my life. Just consider it a lady returning the favor. You seem like you're in a rush. Do you know how to get to Stoneville? From the Meadow Activity Support Center, keep walking straight ahead. When you come across the towering stones, you'll know you've arrived. You should hurry, otherwise you'll miss the festival.
Nikki, why do you think the Wish Envoy and the Prophet want Giovanni?
Who knows? But we need to find him. Once we arrive in Stoneville, we'll ask around. We've got to act fast.
Why won't you let me in the village? I'm the renowned makeup artist Timmy's. You'll regret keeping me out. You're missing out on the world's greatest beauty products, all at 2% off. 2% off!
Ha! Not even for 50%. For a little kid, you've got some attitude. We don't deal with anyone from that cursed land. We've heard all about it. The makeup artist making beauty products in the Wishing Woods, along with a bunch of nonsense Fey-Wish sprites. Saps and Flora-Wish might buy into that, but not us. Hurry along, you're not welcome in Stoneville. There's no business for you here.
But... enough! I'm gonna let that go. I've got a very important client waiting. You wait. I'll be back. I won't give up!
Wait, Timmy's?
Timmy's ran off in a huff. She didn't notice us at all.
This place really doesn't welcome Fey-Wish sprites, or anything related to them.
And who are you?
I'm a traveling stylist who just arrived. I'm Nikki, and this is Momo.
Yep, I'm Momo.
Are you the one? The brilliant and courageous stylist rumored to have battled none other than the Wish Envoy?
Yep, that's me.
I've heard the Wish Envoy has a Fey-Wish sprite as his puppet. Is it true?
So, you're a gossip.
Little kitty, I'm past my prime. If it weren't for juicy gossip, I'd have never agreed to patrol the village entrance for Spindle. Huh. A long time ago, old Pietro used to be the most promising lad in the village. So, you're here. Must be for the coma cases. Continuing the investigation? I understand. Gotta stay low-key. But any info you can share?
Mr. Pietro, although we've caught the Wish Envoy, there's someone even more mysterious behind him. The Prophet. Based on all the intel, it seems like the next target might be Giovanni.
What? They're after Giovanni? He's the lad who brought miracles back to Stoneville. We can't let him be next. No. He's been in the Stoneville market lately, selling his wish flight paper. It's pretty far. It'll take time to get there.
Uncle Pietro! Is my dad back yet?
Louise! I'm only 46 years young. My hearing is fine. I don't think your dad is back yet. Also... Louise, this is Nikki, a stylist from out of town. She's a nice girl like yourself. Can you give her a ride to see Giovanni? It's important.
Of course. Hi there, I'm Louise, and I'm a stylist like you. I'm from Stoneville, and my favorite crafting material is scarf worms.
So far, I like them all. No favorites.
I save the chit-chat. You two hurry up. Quickly, get in the carriage. Louisa's father is this village's wish collector. She'll help you find Giovanni, and I can take a nap. Let's hope Giovanni is still at the market. May the Silver Gale be with you.
Miss Nikki, Momo, sit tight. Let's go!
This place looks completely different from Florawish.
My dad used to take me to Florawish. The houses are big and ugly, and also, the gardens are tiny. Our village is way better.
Hey!
We have a large field of purple flowers and adorable fluffy flora sheep. We're also home to the famous dye workshop. Floragale cloth is a premium product. The dye workshop uses flowers to make it. Floragale flowers are gifts from the Silvergale.
What's the Silver Gale?
The Silvergale is a god who listens to the wishes made by Stoneville villagers.
Huh? Isn't that supposed to be the wishing one?
That was true a long time ago. But then, the wishing one became the Silvergale. The thing is, people in Florawish claim this isn't true. So, that's why we don't like them very much.
Louise!
Hiya, Leona. How are you?
I'm great. I gathered a big bucket of your favorite scarf worms. I'll bring you home later.
Great! Miss Nikki, we're here.
What a market! Feels like my grandma's country house.
So many things I've never seen before.
The Stoneville market is filled with village specialties, like fruit drinks and dyed fabrics. Also, Giovanni should be here. Huh? Oh yeah, here you go. Something to welcome you to Stoneville, Miss Nikki.
These... are they from that field we saw?
Yeah, we Stoneville villagers take a bunch of lavin fringes wherever we go. They represent wishes, and my dad says, fortune returns when you give blessings to those around you.
Louise, thank you. Your blessing is well received. Good fortune will be with us.
Nikki, they're burning wishes. Look!
I saw. Is it the local wish-making custom?
Here, people believe that by burning their wishes, they can lighten their burdens. People here rely more on their own abilities to achieve their wishes, bringing peace. Also, this way, the Fey Wish Sprites won't take their wishes.
Mr. Giovanni.
Miss Nikki, it's a pleasure to see you again. Here for the Flamecrest Festival?
Yes. We're looking for someone. He did something awful that really fired me up.
That's what the Flamecrest Festival is about. I guess that makes sense.
We captured a key suspect related to the case. However, there's a mastermind behind him. This person, called the Prophet. He mentioned the Flamecrest Festival as well as your name, Giovanni.
Giovanni, you're being targeted.
What? Me? But how come? Does he want to buy some wish flight paper?
You think it'd be as simple as that? Can't you see the danger you're in?
Sorry. I may be a little oblivious. I don't understand. This so-called prophet, why would he be after me? Although, with my connection to the Flamecrest Festival, it could be my Flamecrest Festival contestant's choice.
What is this Flamecrest Festival?
In Stoneville, the Flamecrest Festival is the most celebrated event. People here begin preparing far in advance, and on the big day, they light a massive bonfire at the top of the Flamecrest stone tree. And then, the Flamecrest Festival Styling Contest champion starts the ceremony. This is the burning of all wishes made throughout the year.
Wow, that must be incredible.
So that's what these Flamecrest Festival contestants are?
Yes. For some reason, contestants aren't freely chosen. They're recommended. I happen to have a recommendation spot. Maybe this so-called prophet is after my spot. You could become a contestant and sabotage the contest.
With the blazing flames and the big crowd. If the Prophet has plans for the Flamecrest Festival, I can't imagine what kind of chaos he'd cause.
We've got to stop him!
Right now, I'm the only one who hasn't submitted their recommendation. Maybe we could stop any chaos from happening if I nominated someone reliable.
Well, you've got one right here.
Me?
Sure. Nikki'd be the perfect choice. Who would be more reliable than the investigator appointed by the Stylist Guild?
You're right. Well then, Nikki, are you willing contestant?
Sounds like a great opportunity. I'll do it.
I can tag along with you to the festival. Hopefully, they have lots and lots of barbecue.
This way, we can continue the investigation as contestants.
Yeah. And also, if the Prophet doesn't get Giovanni's recommendation spot, he might try to sneak in under a different identity.
Sounds like the person you're looking for is mysterious and hard to trace. Someone like that must be dangerous. Be careful in everything you do. This swim crane is my recommendation voucher. It will guide you to Mr. Spindle. He's the owner of the Stoneville Dye Workshop and oversees the annual Flamecrest Festival. In this village, he is the most respected elder. When he sees this paper crane, he'll know that you're the person I recommended. He'll tell you how to become an official Flamecrest Festival contestant.
Flowers are budding less by the year. Here's a face I've never seen. I'm Spindle, owner of the Dye Workshop. You're not the transportation official Mayor Gray sent over, are you?
Oh, no. My name is Nikki, and this is my friend Momo. Giovanni recommended me as a Flamecrest Festival contestant. Here you go, his recommendation voucher.
I see. You don't look like those annoying officials. And your styling is quite tasteful. Well. Giovanni finally found someone. However, the voucher doesn't make you an official contestant. You'll still need to showcase your best styling skills and gain a final seal of approval.
The styling contest is a warm-up for the wishing ceremony? I didn't realize the bar was so high.
Of course. The Flamecrest Festival isn't just some simple Stoneville celebration. It's a crucial moment to showcase our local styling talent. We can't let those folks in Flourish look down on us. They're always parading with their hoity-toity stylist skill, and yet, their clothes are made from our fabrics.
Of course, fabric is critical. Clothes made with low-quality fabric, it's like a stylish outfit with bad hair. The effect is diminished.
Well said. Our dye workshop and the fabrics produced here are first-class quality. Especially the Florigale cloth made from the local Florigales. It's in high demand in many countries. Clothes made from it even won the gold prize at the King's Birthday exhibition.
Now that stuff is super impressive.
I totally understand. Seeing your creations valued by others brings pride and joy.
Therefore, everything we do is to the highest standard, especially the styling contest. Every single contestant must have impeccable styling skills. They represent all of us. If we deliver a poor result, it undermines the people's confidence in our incredible Stoneville fabrics.
That sure is a lot of pressure. Don't worry. To become an official contestant, I'll use all my styling mastery.
Such passion. Reminds me of me and my pride. All right, head to the Lavin Fringe drying place at the dye workshop. Talk to the quality supervisor, Tanyoyo. That guy, he may be slick, but he does have quite the knack for styling. He's also dependable and charges fairly. So I hired him as a contestant certifier for the Flamecrest Festival. When it comes to assessing styling skills, there's nobody better. Go to him. May the Silver Gale be with you.